Alright, bass for España, Cañí in 6th grade. You don't have that many hard parts. You just have to make sure that you go to half position whenever it's needed. For example, if you look down the third line from the bottom where it says half position on 32, so that it will be, as you see, I have first finger tape, fourth finger tape, and then the second finger tape. So if you put your fourth finger on the second finger tape, so you get a G, then you can get B flat, F natural, B flat, E, A, D, and 40 you reset to first position, E, 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 E. Okay, and then you actually have a passage to learn that is in half position. This is 85, so it's pretty much entirely in half position. So you will start on F natural. This is your first finger behind the first tape. 1, 4, oh, skip 1, 2, 4, skip 1, oh, 2, 4, 2, and whenever it's convenient you can reset or you can stay. You have open string a little bit later, so it doesn't really matter. What matters is that on that 16 note passage you are in half position. 1, 4, oh, skip 1, 2, 4, skip 1, oh, 2, 4, 2. So I would practice it little by little. First I will get the fourth finger nice and accurate. Then I'll practice the string crossing, F, G, A, F, G, A. Then I'll practice A, B, C. I'll practice skipping the first finger, A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C. I'll practice the string crossing, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D. Then I'll practice D, E, F, E, D, E, F, E. Then I'll add them together, 1, 4, O, 2, 4, O, 2, 4, 2. And faster. And then faster. And faster. My bad. And then practice for sound closer to the bridge. It's really hard for me to record on the iPads and standing, get the right picture, but you get the idea. Okay, and that's pretty much your part. Enjoy.